Hey everyone, Brandon here. Today we're diving into the world of smart air fryers. Those countertop gadgets that now come with Wi-Fi, apps, and even voice control. Are these features actually useful or just marketing hype? I've spent weeks testing the top models for 2025 to find out. We'll break down the hardware, software, cooking performance and price. No fluff, just what matters. By the end, you'll know which smart air fryer, if any, deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's get started. First up, let's take a closer look at the So Smart Wi-Fi air fryer, a consistent bestseller, and for good reason. This air fryer has quickly become a favourite in many kitchens, and it's easy to see why once you get your hands on it. The build quality is impressive. The So Sorry feels solid and well made, with a sleek modern design that fits right in with any kitchen decor. The non-stick basket is both durable and easy to clean, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. You can tell it's built to last, and the materials feel premium compared to many other air fryers in this price range. One of the standout features is the VSync app. It's polished, intuitive, and setting it up is a straightforward process. Just a couple of minutes and you're connected to Wi-Fi. The app guides you through each step, so even if you're not tech savvy, you'll have no trouble getting started. With the app, you can browse a wide variety of recipes, send cooking settings directly to the fryer, and control every aspect of the cooking process from your phone. It's like having a smart sous chef right in your pocket, ready to help you experiment with new dishes or stick to your favourites. The app also sends helpful notifications, like reminders to shake the basket or alerts when your food is ready. This is a game changer if you're multitasking, working from home, or just want to relax without hovering over the kitchen counter. When it comes to performance, the CSORI really shines. Fries and chicken wings come out perfectly crispy and evenly cooked every time. The 5.8 quart capacity is generous, making it ideal for small families or for meal prepping. You can easily cook enough for a group without having to do multiple batches. Another plus is how quickly it heats up. The preheat time is minimal, so you're not left waiting around when you're hungry. This speed makes it perfect for busy weeknights or quick snacks. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The CSORI is definitely on the louder side. If you have an open kitchen or are sensitive to noise, you'll notice the hum while it's running. It's not unbearable, but it's something to keep in mind if you value a quiet cooking environment. The VSync app, while feature-rich, does have a bit of clutter. There are social features and feeds that you'll probably never use, which can make the interface feel a bit busy at times. Still, the core controls are easy to access. Despite that, the smart controls are genuinely useful. You can adjust temperature, time, and settings on the fly, all from your phone. It's not just a gimmick, it actually makes cooking more convenient and flexible. If you can handle the background noise, the CSORI is a top pick for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with smart technology. It's reliable, efficient, and makes air frying almost effortless. In terms of value, it's hard to beat. The CSORI offers a lot of features for its price, making it a fantastic entry point for anyone new to air frying or smart kitchen gadgets. Plus, it's backed by plenty of positive reviews from satisfied users. Just remember, you are trading a bit of peace and quiet for the convenience and versatility this air fryer brings. For some, the noise might be a deal breaker, but for most, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. So here's the verdict. The CSORI Smart Wi-Fi air fryer delivers an excellent app experience, consistently great cooking results, and a generous capacity. The only real downside is the noise level. If you're okay with a little extra hum in your kitchen, it's an easy recommendation. It's a smart, reliable, and fun way to make healthier meals at home. That wraps up our look at the CSORI. Now, let's move on to the next contender and see how it stacks up. Next up, let's take a closer look at the Instant Vortex Plus, 6-in-1 from Instant Brands. If you're searching for an air fryer that can do it all, this is the one to watch. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of air fryers, versatile, reliable, and packed with features that go far beyond just air frying. This machine doesn't just air fry. It roasts, broils, bakes, reheats, and even dehydrates, all in a single countertop appliance. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy roasted chicken, or homemade dried fruit snacks, the Vortex Plus has a dedicated setting for each. It's like having 6 different kitchen gadgets rolled into one sleek device, saving you both space and money. The build quality is impressive, featuring durable stainless steel accents that give it a premium look and feel. One standout feature is the clear cook window, which lets you watch your food as it cooks. No more guessing if your meal is done or opening the basket to check. It's a small touch that makes a big difference, especially for perfectionists who want their food just right. When it comes to performance, the Vortex Plus really shines. Air frying is fast and efficient, delivering food that's golden, crispy, and evenly cooked every time. Whether you're making a quick snack or a full dinner, you can count on consistent results that taste as good as they look. The generously sized basket is perfect for families or anyone who likes to meal prep. You can cook large batches in one go, making it easy to feed a crowd or prepare leftovers for the week. Another modern touch is the Instant Brands Connect app. With it, you can browse recipes, send cooking instructions directly to the fryer, and get notifications when your food is ready. It's a smart, convenient way to take the guesswork out of cooking and try new recipes with confidence. However, with so many functions packed into one device, there's definitely a learning curve. The control panel is loaded with options, which can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're used to simpler appliances. If you're only interested in basic air frying, you might find yourself ignoring most of the features you paid for. In that case, a simpler, more affordable model could be a better fit. But for home cooks who love experimenting and want to try everything from dehydrating fruit to baking muffins, the versatility is a huge plus. It's a playground for culinary creativity. If you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss appliance, you might want to look elsewhere. The Vortex Plus is designed for those who want more than just the basics. For anyone who wants a single device that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, the value here is undeniable. It's like having a mini kitchen on your countertop, ready to tackle almost any recipe you throw at it. Just be prepared to spend some time learning how to use all the features. Reading the manual and experimenting with recipes will help you get the most out of this powerful machine. It's a powerful tool, but it's not exactly plug and play. You'll need a bit of patience to master all the settings and functions. For adventurous cooks who love trying new things and pushing the boundaries of what an air fryer can do, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 is a true winner. It opens up a world of possibilities in the kitchen. But for everyone else, especially those who just want to make fries or chicken wings, it might be more machine than you really need. Consider your cooking style before making the investment. Now for something different, the Ninja Foodi 2 Basket Air Fryer. Its standout feature, 2 independent cooking zones so you can cook 2 foods 2 ways and have them finish at the same time. Dual Zone tech lets you set different temps and times for each basket, and the Smart Finish feature syncs everything perfectly. It's a game changer for making a main and a side together. Performance is classic Ninja, fast, powerful and super crispy results. Build quality is excellent. It feels built to last. The catch? It's huge. This is not for tiny kitchens. Each basket is 4 quarts, great for sides or meals for 2, but not for big roasts. You trade single item capacity for dual cooking versatility, perfect for families or anyone who wants to streamline meal prep. The dual zone feature isn't a gimmick, it's genuinely useful. Just make sure you have the counter space. If you're always juggling multiple dishes, this is a lifesaver. If not, it might be more than you need. It's a specialised tool for efficient cooks. Consider your space before you commit. Enter the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, the luxury model from the brand that started it all. Philips was one of the first to popularise air frying, and with the XXL, they've taken things to a whole new level. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a statement piece for your kitchen, designed for those who want the very best in both performance and style. The XXL size means it can handle a whole chicken or big batches with ease. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner, meal prepping for the week, or hosting friends, the generous capacity ensures you won't have to cook in multiple rounds. It's perfect for big appetites and busy households. The design is sleek and futuristic, with smooth lines and a glossy finish that looks right at home in any modern kitchen. The build quality is top tier. Solid, sturdy, and clearly made to last. Every detail from the handle to the control panel feels premium and thoughtfully engineered. Its unique fat removal technology uses a starfish-shaped base to circulate air and extract excess fat, leaving food crispy but not greasy. This means you can enjoy your favourite fried foods with less guilt, knowing you're cutting down on unnecessary oil without sacrificing taste or texture. Cooking results are incredibly consistent, golden, even, and reliable every time. Fries come out perfectly crisp, chicken stays juicy, and everything cooks evenly from edge to edge. It's the kind of reliability that makes weeknight dinners and special occasions stress-free. The NutriU app offers recipes and remote control, making it easy to find inspiration and manage your cooking from anywhere in the house. But the real draw is the hands-off, foolproof cooking experience. Just set it, walk away, and come back to perfectly cooked food every time. The catch. Price. This is one of the most expensive air fryers out there. The price tag is undeniably steep, putting it out of reach for many casual cooks or those on a budget. You're paying for brand reputation, advanced technology, and exceptional build quality. Philips has a long-standing reputation for innovation and reliability, and that's reflected in the cost. For most people, the improvement over cheaper models isn't worth the premium. While the Philips delivers top-notch results, many budget-friendly air fryers come surprisingly close in everyday use. In fact, Philips Premium Air Fryer XL competes more with high-end countertop ovens than with other air fryers. It's for those who want the best of the best, not just a basic appliance. If you want the best and price is no object, this is it. It's a showpiece that delivers on its promises, both in looks and performance. For everyone else, the value just isn't there. Unless you're truly passionate about kitchen gadgets or need the extra capacity, you might find it hard to justify the cost. It's a luxury buy. Amazing, but not essential. It's the kind of appliance that's nice to have, but not a must-have for most kitchens. If you want top-tier results and don't mind the cost, go for it. You'll get consistent, delicious food and a premium experience every time you cook. Otherwise, there are plenty of solid options for much less. You don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy great air-fried food. Just choose what fits your needs and budget. The Proscenic T21 is all about smart home integration, especially with Alexa. You can control it with your voice, start, stop, set temps, and check time hands-free. When it works, it feels futuristic and convenient. The 5.5 quart capacity is solid, and the app offers scheduling and custom recipes. Cooking results are good, on par with other mid-range models. But the app can be buggy, occasional connection drops and finicky pairing. Alexa commands sometimes require very specific phrasing. Build quality is more plastic than premium. If you love voice control and have Alexa everywhere, this is for you. Just be ready for some tech hiccups. It's a glimpse of the future, but not quite there yet. For smart home enthusiasts only. The Chefman Turbo Fry Touch is all about style and simplicity. It's compact, sleek, and looks great on any counter. The digital touch display is minimalist and easy to use. Just time, temp, and a few presets. No Wi-Fi, no app, no voice control. Just straightforward air frying. Performance is impressive for its size, quick heat up, crispy results, and easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts. The trade-off is capacity. It's best for 1 or 2 people or side dishes. Not ideal for big families or batch cooking. It's a digital air fryer for those who value design and simplicity over smart features. If you want a no-fuss, great-looking air fryer, this is it. For tech lovers, look elsewhere. For minimalists, it's a winner. Sometimes, less really is more. Just know its limits. The Tefal ActiFry Genius XL stands out with its automatic stirring paddle. Drop in your food, and the paddle keeps everything moving for even cooking. No shaking required. It's perfect for fries, veggies, and stir fries. Set it and forget it. 9 intelligent presets adjust temp, time, and stirring speed for different foods. The clear lid lets you watch your food cook, and cleanup is easy with removable dishwasher-safe parts. Downsides, the design is bulky and unconventional. Think lab equipment, not kitchen appliance. The paddle isn't great for delicate foods or big single items. It's specialised amazing for certain foods, limited for others. If you want automation for fries and veggies, it's unbeatable. If you need versatility, look elsewhere. It's a genius, but only for specific tasks. For set it and forget it fans, it's a revelation. For everyone else, it's a niche pick. So, which smart air fryer is right for you? It depends on your needs, family size, kitchen space, and how much you value smart features. The Sursori is a great all-rounder, the Instant Vortex is for versatility, and the Ninja is perfect for multitaskers. Philips is the luxury choice, Proscenic is for smart home fans, Chefman is for minimalists, and Tefal is for automation lovers. Match the tech to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives.